house. Let's go in and take a look. Come into the entryway here. Living room. This stuff here is my house sitter stuff, so here we are in the dining room. New vinyl plank. Nice sized dining room. Kitchen. Really nice sized kitchen. With all new countertop and lower cabinets, new glass block. And you come out here into the hallway. There's the living room. Fake fireplace, but nice mantle. Into the bathroom, new vanity, new toilet, new glazed tub, mirror. Come here into bedroom 1. Nice sized room. Across the hall is bedroom 2. Another nice sized room. That door goes out to the backyard. Nice little porch out there. And here we are upstairs. New carpet throughout. Can't really call this a bedroom because there's no closet, but would be a great office or closet. And then you come into the bedroom. Really nice sized room with a great big walk-in closet here at the end. Very nice. And then the bonus here. Full bath, new vanity, glazed tub, new toilet. Back downstairs, give you a look at the basement. Really nice sized basement. It's actually huge. Big space there. New furnace and water heater will go in here once we have a tenant secured and ready for an inspection. New laundry tub. Plumbing's been redone. And that's it. 5609 Marlboro.